You are born beneath the soil, inside a dark and humid burrow dug deep into the ground. Your mother carried you for months, between 60 and 120 days, depending on the species. You belong to the family Dasypodidae, small, armored mammals of the order Cingulata. Your kind is native to the American continent, from the savannas and grasslands of South America to the wet forests of Central America. You are one of 4 identical siblings, the result of a single fertilized egg that divided into 4 embryos, a rare phenomenon called polyembryony. At birth, your armor is still soft and pale, but soon it will harden into the shield that defines your species. Your mother protects and feeds you, while your father plays no role in your upbringing. In the world of armadillos, maternal care is solitary but vital. For several weeks, you stay inside the burrow, feeding on milk and growing stronger. The narrow tunnels echo the sounds of the outside world, rustling leaves, the distant steps of predators, and the hum of insects. Gradually, your instincts awaken. You are a creature built for the underground, adapted to a life between shadow and soil. Your name, Tatu, comes from the ancient Tupi word for armadillo, while the scientific name Dasypodidae combines 2 Greek terms, daisies, meaning hairy, and paus, meaning foot. Together, they describe you perfectly, the hairy-footed mammal that wears its skeleton on the outside. Unlike most animals, you were born equipped for defense, with an armor of bone and keratin, the same material that forms human nails. A few months after birth, your shell hardens completely, your claws sharpen, and your senses grow stronger. One night, guided by instinct and your extraordinary sense of smell, you finally step out of the burrow. The world smells alive. Every scent carries information: danger, food, life. Your journey as an armadillo has begun. The surface feels strange beneath your feet. You move slowly but with purpose, following the scent of ants, termites, and beetles that live beneath the soil. You are an insectivore, capable of consuming thousands of invertebrates each night. In a single evening, one of your kind, a Dasypus hybridus, weighing only 2.5 kilograms, can devour nearly 9,000 insects. Your claws dig effortlessly, turning the soil as you uncover your meal. Without realizing it, you are helping to balance entire ecosystems by keeping insect populations under control. But your diet is not limited to insects. You also feed on fallen fruits, roots, small amphibians, and occasionally bird eggs or carrion. Your slow metabolism allows you to survive long hours without food, and your digestive system efficiently extracts nutrients from almost anything you find. You are both a scavenger and a gardener, a natural recycler of the forest floor. Your burrow becomes your fortress. With multiple exits and tunnels, it shields you from predators and extreme temperatures. You spend your days hidden underground and your nights foraging in silence. You are a solitary creature, meeting others only during the breeding season. In the quiet of the night, your world is ruled by scent and vibration. You feel life through the ground, rather than see it with your eyes. Every movement you make has ecological meaning. By digging, you aerate the soil, allowing water and oxygen to reach plant roots. The tunnels you abandon later become homes for other creatures, snakes, owls, or small mammals. Without you, the ecosystem would lose one of its quietest engineers. You have reached adulthood. Your body measures more than 1/2 meter, and your armor is a masterpiece of natural design, made of bony plates covered in keratin, flexible enough to let you run and dig, but strong enough to stop a predator's bite. Some of your relatives, like the 3-banded armadillo, can even roll into a perfect ball when threatened, turning into a living fortress. Your world is filled with danger, but your adaptations are exceptional. You can hold your breath for up to 6 minutes, a skill that allows you to cross rivers and flooded areas by walking along the bottom, as if you were walking underwater. Your slow metabolism and small lungs make this possible, conserving oxygen far better than most mammals your size. You are also an excellent swimmer, inflating your lungs or swallowing air to float across the surface when needed. You are not only a survivor, but a symbol of balance. Many indigenous peoples of South America respected you for your endurance and versatility. Some tribes used your armor to make baskets or musical instruments, such as the charango, a traditional stringed instrument from Bolivia originally crafted from your shell. Others used your tail to create flutes or your bones as fishing hooks and tools. For them, your body represented connection, a bridge between the natural and the spiritual world. But the modern world around you is changing. Fields replace forests, and human activity brings new dangers. Your ability to adapt will soon be tested beyond instinct and evolution. One night, while searching for termites near a field, you sense a foreign presence: humans. They have long known of your existence, sometimes with admiration, sometimes with fear. In rural South America, people have hunted you for generations, eating your meat roasted or in traditional dishes. To some, your flesh is said to carry the essence of all other animals, yet few realize that you are one of the only creatures besides humans capable of contracting and transmitting leprosy, a fact that has made you important for medical research, and also a potential risk when your meat is consumed. Human curiosity goes beyond hunger. Your shell, tail, and bones have been used to craft tools, instruments, and art for centuries. Indigenous peoples once smoked your burrows to capture you, turning your body into instruments of sound and ritual. Today, the carango is made from wood, but its name, Quirquincho in Quechua, still means armadillo. You are a symbol woven into the cultural fabric of the Americas, yet humans also destroy what they admire. Roads, fires, and deforestation shrink your habitat, forcing you to cross dangerous territories. Many of your kind are killed by vehicles each year. Still, you persist. You dig new burrows, adapt to farmlands, and find food where others see emptiness. You are living proof of resilience, quiet, ancient, and misunderstood. If you've made it this far, help us keep exploring the hidden lives of nature's creatures. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it so more people can learn about animals like you, the silent engineers of the earth. The rainy season arrives, and with it comes the time to reproduce. You follow the scent of a female across the moist ground. The courtship is brief, instinctive, and silent. After mating, you part ways, and she will carry your legacy alone. Inside her, a fertilized egg may delay implantation until the environment is safe and stable, a biological mechanism known as delayed implantation, ensuring that the young will be born under the best conditions. When the time comes, she gives birth to identical quadruplets, each one a perfect genetic copy of the other. The newborns are blind, fragile, and soft-shelled. In the safety of her burrow, she nurses and protects them, teaching them the rhythms of survival. Her task is exhausting but essential. In your kind, the continuation of the species depends solely on the mother. As the new generation grows, they will inherit the same instincts: to dig, to feed, to survive. Every burrow you and your descendants create enriches the soil and shelters other species. Every night's hunt maintains ecological balance. Without fanfare, you and your kind sustain entire landscapes. Your existence may go unnoticed by most, but it leaves a profound mark on nature. The armadillo's world is built in silence, one clawful of earth at a time. Time passes. Your armor, once flawless, now bears scratches and scars from old encounters. You still emerge at dusk, guided by smell and instinct, but your body moves slower. In the wild, an armadillo can live 7 to 12 years, though in captivity some reach 20. Survival is a constant test. You remain cautious, for danger is always near. Jaguars, ocelots, foxes, and large birds of prey hunt creatures like you. When attacked, you dig, roll, or press against the ground, relying on your shell to absorb the blow. Some predators give up quickly, but others have learned to flip you over and strike at your unprotected belly. Each night could be your last, yet you continue your search for insects, the same patient ritual that has sustained your kind for millions of years. Your senses remain sharp, even as your strength fades. Your eyes are small and your vision weak, but your nose and hearing compensate. You know the sounds of the night, the vibration of steps, the movement of wings. You live by instinct, not fear. The world around you changes faster than you can adapt. But you have outlived species stronger and faster than you. You are a survivor of ancient times, a relic from a forgotten age still walking among modern beasts. Eventually, the night grows long and your steps slow. You retreat into the burrow you dug weeks ago, lying down on the cool, familiar soil. Your breathing softens, your heart quiets, and the world above continues its rhythm. Your journey comes to an end, but your story doesn't stop here. When you die, your body returns to the earth you once shaped. Decomposers feed on your remains, enriching the soil with nutrients. New plants rise above you, roots weaving through your shell, completing the cycle you helped maintain. Life does not end. It transforms. You leave behind empty tunnels that will soon shelter new creatures and an ecological balance that silently depends on you. The armadillo, humble and ancient, remains a symbol of resilience, adaptation, and the quiet strength of the natural world. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments which animal you want to see next, and let's keep exploring the untold lives of nature's most fascinating creatures, from birth to death, one story at a time.